Looking to add some extra performance in lighting to your daily driver? Let me introduce you to our Boost driving light. Boost is designed to be a compact driving light to fit within the confines of your vehicle's factory fog light mounts. This allows for seamless integration whether you have a factory front bar or a bull bar, especially if you want some extra punch and rarely use your fog lights. They cover a majority of vehicles, small and large. Powered by a CREE XHP LED, Boost is able to provide light out to 327 meters at 1 lux, boosting your confidence in nighttime driving to support your high beams during your commute when you've left the big boy lights at home. A built-in DRL adding a subtle touch to the vehicle's aesthetic while providing the daylight visibility to be visual on the road. Now, as these are classified as a driving light, they do require to be high beam triggered. No different to how your larger driving lights and light bars are wired. With the exception of the DRL wiring, you can check out an installation video for an overview. So there we have it. That's our Boost driving light. For further inquiries, contact our wonderful customer support team. Check out the rest of our range on our website, and don't forget to follow us on all our socials.